Welcome to Fluentland. Hello guys, today we are going to have a conversation, so listen carefully. Hey Anna, how are you today? I was thinking about our new project, and I'm really excited to start. I feel like this project could help both of us grow a lot.
Hi Sam, I'm doing great, thanks for asking. I'm excited about the project too, I've been thinking about it all morning. I agree, I think it's going to be something special.
I came up with a few ideas last night that I want to share with you. They're not perfect yet, but I think they're a good start. I really want your opinion on them.
That sounds interesting, I'd love to hear them. Even if they're not perfect, ideas always grow when we talk about. Your ideas usually lead to something amazing.
I appreciate that. I've been trying to improve my creativity lately. I've been reading, learning, and practicing more. I want our project to feel polished and meaningful.
I've noticed your improvement, Sam. You've been really focused. It inspires me to stay disciplined with my own routine. I also want this project to be something we're both proud of.
I think we're becoming a really good team. We communicate better than before, and that helps a lot. I think this project will show how much we've grown.
Yes, totally. Our teamwork has improved so much. We understand each other's strengths and weaknesses now. That makes everything smoother and more enjoyable.
I'm also excited about this weekend. I think we both need the break. It will help us clear our minds and come back stronger. I hope we can talk more about the project during the weekend too.
I agree, a break is exactly what we need. It always helps me refresh my creativity. And yes, we can definitely talk more during the weekend.
Before we start, is there anything you think we should change? I want to make sure we're both on the same page. I'm open to any suggestions.
I think everything looks good so far. If we need changes, we can adjust as we go. I like that we're flexible and open-minded.
Great. That makes me feel more confident. I'm ready to start whenever you are. Let's make this project something amazing.
I'm ready too, Sam. I believe we're going to create something powerful. Let's do our best and make this journey worth it.